Repairing a puncture in aircraft sheet metal structures. Aircraft sheet metal can be repaired following an incident or accident. If the decision is made to repair rather than replace, then the repair must bring the area back to its original strength and function. There should be no change in aircraft performance after the repair. Cracks may occur in the sheet metal. If this is determined to be negligible damage, then it may be ignored, or the crack may be stop drilled to keep the crack from growing. This decision should be made after research for the specific installation. It should be noted that this is a temporary fix. Larger damage requires sheet metal repair. For our example, let's assume worse damage and look at how to repair this puncture in the aircraft's outer skin. First, we'll make a drawing of the repair required. This repair will require an insert to fill the area we cut out of the skin. The insert will then be attached to a backing plate to hold the insert in place. This view shows the construction of the final repair. Our drawing is shown as an exploded view. Lay out a rivet pattern which maintains the strength and integrity of the area. In this example, the aircraft cabin is pressurized, so a sealer is applied between the doubler and the aircraft skin in order to maintain a pressure seal. Aircraft sheet metal is measured and drawn on the metal using these tools. These are my father's tools from the Bud Company in Red Lion, Pennsylvania. From top left clockwise, chisels to remove the old rivets, metal ruler, a combination set, 3 punches to start new holes, and a set of dividers used for measuring rivet spacing. Aircraft sheet metal is cut and worked to shape using these tools. A sheet metal brake is used to cut larger pieces of metal down to usable size. Snips are used for the final shaping. The snips come in left, right, or straight configuration. Choose the one that fits your task. Files are used to get the final, perfect shape. Aircraft metal structures are fastened using rivets. The rivet is inserted in matching holes drilled in the 2 pieces to be joined. A rivet gun is placed on the side with the manufactured head, and a bucking bar is placed on the other side. This creates a shop head which fastens the parts together and hardens the rivet itself. Attaching the filler to the backing plate. We can see here on the left that the holes have already been drilled in the filler and backing plate. The rivets being installed in this photo are cherry rivets, which are placed and then a hand puller is used to create the shop head. Care must be taken with the final installation. Create a full layout of the drilling pattern on the aircraft and match it to the patch that has been created. Here we see the technician measuring the rivet pattern and spacing using a set of dividers and a drawing tool that will not create a weakness in the metal. Here's an example of a larger repair. The new sheet metal is temporarily held in place with Clecco fasteners. The Clecco will be removed with the final rivets replacing them in their pre-drilled holes. This technician is checking that the repairs maintain the aerodynamic shape of the original design.